Idiya Illinois sideboard is the ultimate piece to modernise your home. The matte black finish against the wood grain brings a sense of sophistication while keeping your home clutter-free. It also comes in green. In this cupboard, there's a top shelf and 3 roller drawers, all with a wood grain finish. All of the cupboard doors have a soft close feature. There is 1 fixed shelf and 1 height adjustable shelf. It has steel powder coated legs and an underclearance of 17 centimetres. The top has a wood grain finish and has a raised 45-degree angle edge, stopping anything from rolling off.